What are we doing today? Well, we have to boot Pinky off the trailer because the day is here. It is dually day. The 81 Squarebody dually is finally getting loaded up and headed to the shop. It's body and paint time and time to finish this thing. Oh boy, I'm excited. My wheels will be here very shortly. I'm thinking like 3 days. So let's fire this thing up and get it loaded up. That's it for you, Pinky. You don't get to play today. There's the Biscayne waiting its turn to get in the shop. Well, let's do it. Time to load the dually up. There's the Kraken. Oh, I love that car. I want this thing ready for paint by the end of the week. Because the guys don't like it when I stick big tires on everything before they paint. So I'm not allowed to put the big wheels and tires on it until it's in paint. So we need some hustle. We need this thing ready for paint by the weekend. See how it starts after winter? It always starts good, this thing. It's a little bigger in my Dodge. I'm so excited. I just love this truck. Not going to be the same anymore after this week. We already have the paint. We already have the tires. And the wheels are on their way. We have a deck for it. I'll pick up the deck another day when we're ready for it, so it's not in our way. It's on now. Let's get it to the shop. So it's a special day today. Not only do we get the 1-ton dually big block in here. Oh yeah. The Jimmy's alive and well. The 70 GMC is in paint and has been tuned. Now that's an exciting big block lineup to me. I guess that means we should fire them all up, hey? Of course, we'll start with the Jimmy. The Jimmy that now has a 468 is sounding spectacular. guess we might as well do the 70 GMC next, because it has no mufflers on it. Up and down the runway. Alright, let's try this again, shall we? This is my first time driving it with the 468. Oh, I love that stall. Wow, it's really nice to drive. It feels so tight. Sounds spectacular with those new mufflers. We'll do a review on those in the next day or two. That thing's awesome. Holy. It is snappy, let me tell you. All right, that's enough messing around. What's the game plan with this thing? Well, body work will commence tomorrow morning. We have new cab corners to do. That rock is actually really good shape. We have another door for this side, an actual GM door, not one of those aftermarket ones that never fits. Those are actual GM fenders on this thing, so they fit really nice. And then we have a rocker we got to do here, and a cab corner here. The floors are really good in this thing. Really good. So the windshield's going to come out. We're going to paint all of the interior, because we have to paint the inside of the doors and everything too. So seat out, interior, what's left out, we're going to do the roof, everything. Fenders, hood, the rad sport's all going to come off. The engine will be coming out. This is going to be for sale when I'm done, and it's going to be a very expensive build. And it's also the very first 1-ton dually square body I've ever got my hands on in a 4x4. Just so happens it's also the first Dana 60 I've ever got my hands on. So I've had a ton of messages, guys wanting to buy it as is. Sorry guys, not a chance. This will be a, if this thing's leaving my fleet, I want top dollar for it. And it's going to look nice. So tomorrow morning, while you guys are watching this, it's going in the shop. Let the fun begin. Yeehaw.